Good morning guys, how are we doing today? I've just finished my workout and I'm feeling like over the moon. Obviously doing the workout I was like, oh my god, I don't want to do this. Okay, so the plan for today, I'm doing some UGC content for this brand called Pink Vanilla. So I'm literally going to get ready for that now. I'm going to show you guys what's inside the bag. This literally takes me back to the days when I used to do YouTube hauls. If you have been here since my earlier videos, you're a real one. The first thing I chose from their website is this beautiful white fitted hem shirt. I like how it's cinched at the waist. It's got like this eyelet design at the front here. Cropped faux fur pelted jacket, and I'm literally obsessed. I don't own a faux fur jacket, but it's just so my personality. I can't describe it. If you get it, you get it. If you don't, you don't. Like when I look back at my photos of being in my early 20s, I want to be that leather jacket wearing, faux fur, high heel, knee high boot wearing girl, you know? Wow, I lived that Carrie Bradshaw London edition lifestyle. Do you get it? I can't wait to show you guys what that looks like on. This one is probably my favourite piece I chose. Oh my god, I love it so much. Basically this denim mini skirt. It is what it is, and it's like a cargo design. And I was scared because online I thought this would be very unflattering on, but you can actually stretch it. It's quite elastic actually. This outfit is gonna make me feel like a Bratz doll. Like I literally cannot get over how cute this hairstyle is. I used to diss people who wore bows, like literally, like why would you wear a bow? Why would you do that to yourself? And look at me now, all bowed up. Guys, look at my laptop cover. I've literally put stickers all over my laptop because why not? Life's too short. Sometimes people look at me like, but one thing you need to know about me, I'm a maximalist. I like things colourful, bright, big, everything. Hence the fur coat. You get what I mean? Anyway, let's edit some content together. Okay, so the vlog I'm editing at the moment is the modelling Q&A. Should be out now, so go check it out. I've just cut the video from like 2 hours. I'm trying to get it down to 20 minutes just because I don't want it to be a very long-winded video for no reason. I've got a little something to show you. This is a dream come true. Rimmel London sent me my second box. They told me they're going to send me PR every month, and I said, okay, like as if, and they actually haven't forgotten. The first few items they gifted me were the 4 lip glosses that I got. I did make some content on TikTok, so go follow me on TikTok if you don't already. It's at Manuela Tomé __. Okay, let's open it up. Oh, everything's falling out. Oh. Sometimes people look at me like... This is their High Street Hollywood Glow 2-in-1 serum foundation, and this one here is a primer. So I'm very excited to try both of those. It's going to be really interesting to see how my skin takes to this because I'm not a foundation wearer. I've never worn foundation growing up. I told my boyfriend to go to the shop to get some milk and sugar because I want to make myself a cup of tea, and I can't wait to have that cup of tea. It's gonna be gorgeous. Okay, so we're gonna edit this vlog. When we edit this vlog, we can have a cup of tea, we can game, we can relax, we can watch Traitors. Okay, I'm motivated, let's go. I think it's difficult when you're dealing with brands and reputation. There's a lot. We all get nervous, but we have to do it anyway. Today's video is a little bit different. This video is going to be my modelling Q&A. I've had so many questions from you guys asking me to talk about my modelling journey. I've basically managed to compile a bunch of questions that I get asked on a regular basis. These are all the questions I had 6 years ago when I first started off modelling. Good morning, beautiful people. I'm in a good mood today. I hope you're all doing well. Today's Thursday. I'm spending the day filming some content for 2 brands today. I basically got a shoe brand called XY London and a fashion brand called Hiccup. So I'm gonna basically try and do the 2 together and incorporate the shoes into my outfit. But I'm going to show you guys the pieces. If you guys don't follow me on TikTok, go check out my TikTok, go check out my Instagram, because that's where I'm going to be posting the results. So Hiccup, they've given me this gorgeous halter neck top. I think this is going to be passed down to my future child one day. And then I've got this like white mesh long sleeve top. It's going to be paired with this long white skirt. Probably my favourite piece. This top here, and it's cinched at the waist, and I'm obsessed with this top. I've been loving leopard print since I watched the Cheetah Girls back in the 2000s. And then we've got this beautiful satin skirt. I feel like I don't really have many skirts in my wardrobe. I feel like this would go very well together. For the shoes from XY London, the first one is this one here. I love the silver rhinestones, and I just got this one because I was like, you know what, I don't have anything like this in my wardrobe. I think this would go perfect with the cheetah print outfit, so I'll probably pair those 2 together. I got those in size 4. And the second one is again kitten heel, but this one's pointed. I'm obsessed with this one. I love the sling back here. It's gorgeous. It's not an open toe, which is always nice. That's everything, and I can't wait to film the content. I've done my hair and my makeup, so I'm going to start now before it starts getting dark outside. I'm in the mood, and I'm listening to Joy Crock's new song. If you haven't heard this song, where's the remote? It's called Pass the Salt, but this is her live cover at the bingo hall. Don't expect me to try and impress, yeah. This is the outfit, the first one that I tried on, the cheetah print top. I shine and you get sunburn. That sounds like a you problem. This one's probably my favourite. I'm gonna wear this for a festival in summer. It's very cute, very angel-like. And the skirt is very comfortable. Very cute, very nice. I'll probably wear it with some necklaces. Okay, I lied, guys. This is my favourite one. The top is from Hiccup, but the skirt is from Pink Vanilla. The bag is from ASOS. The shoes are from XY London. I've been obsessed with her since like 2000 and when, like, I just love her. Her music's amazing. Anyway, I'm running out of storage. Hold on, babe.